Hi, this is Steve from Roofer911. I'm inside a home in Woodbridge, Virginia, and where you see the dark blue, that's all wet carpet, and the wetness is caused by the roof. So what's happening is the water is traveling down inside this interior wall. If the water was touching the drywall, then I would pick it up with the infrared. So the water is just settling here. But eventually that water can go all the way down into the basement and show up on the ceiling. So everything here is all dry. But yeah, there's a wet stain right here as well, but it's not visible to the eye. But there is wetness here as well. And then over here, this is another leak. And both of these stains are in alignment with this window. So eventually this window is going to leak. So what many contractors would do is they would seal the top of the window, or they would put new flashing around the window. But the source of the problem is not the window, but instead it's the roof. So I'm going to go outside. I just want to double check to see if the ridge vent is the source of the leak, and I can almost guarantee it is. And let me just see if there's any other leaks that are not visible to the eye inside this home. Yep, there's one right there as well. Let me check this one. This is all good. Some of the dark blue that I see here, the purple, that's cold air. And that's nothing. This is an exterior wall right here. And there's no leaks here. Oops. Okay, that's cold air. Again, this is Steve from Roofer911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Woodbridge and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.